There are two big issues while learning mobile development. The first one is when you want to learn mobile development, first you have to decide whether I should go for iOS or Android. For iOS, it's a different language, Swift. For Android, it's a different language like Java or Kotlin. The second big issue is when you want to design an app, you want your app to look amazing, great, the way you have designed it, the way you have imagined it. But as soon as the device size changes, your app doesn't look that great. And there are so many devices right now in the market talking about iOS or Android. There is a huge abundance of it. And when you want a consistent look in iOS and Android, it's a whole new nightmare. Welcome to the solution of both problems. Welcome to React Native Design course where we're going to learn how to design 10 mobile apps for both Android and iOS. And yes, these are all native apps. React Native is a rock-solid technology used by Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Tesla, and variety of big companies. We're going to write all of our code in JavaScript and we're going to produce native mobile apps for Android and iOS that are going to look awesome on all devices. This is like a front-end course for mobile apps. Hi, my name is Hitesh and I have been programming for almost 10 years now. I have created some of the amazing and life-changing boot camps and have helped more than 150,000 students all over the globe in becoming amazing web developers, reaching to the Android store or to the Apple store. My specialty is to teach the toughest topic in the easiest manner so that learning becomes fun, engaging, and exciting. I am back with another exciting course on React Native. This course is totally focused on designing the front end of the app so that your app look consistent and amazing on iOS as well as on Android devices just using JavaScript. Not only will be writing all the code in JavaScript, we will also be using some of the latest technology like Expo so that you can just fire up any text editor like Atom or Sublime Text and you don't need explicit extraordinary hardware. You can just install the Expo app available for free on your Android and iOS and can just work with that. No need to install Android Studio even for that. Yes, of course, if you want to publish your app, that time it will be needed, but you don't need to have that all the time. That means your low configuration hardware can also help you in designing the Android and iOS applications. Our single JavaScript code will be same and exact for producing Android apps as well as iOS apps. So what are these 10 apps that we'll be building both for Android and iOS? These apps are specifically being selected so that we can address various design issues that recent modern trend is trending towards. Number one app that we'll be designing is going to be a tutorial screen. You might have seen this screen quite a lot while launching the first app. The next app that we'll be building is going to be a login screen app. This is going to be a keyboard aware screen and is going to work absolutely fine on Android and iOS. Next, we'll be building a dummy shopping cart experience. After that, a customized photo gallery inspired by Instagram style of scrolling views. Next, we'll be building a YouTube clone with dummy API. Now again, this clone is not at all functional, but this is going to look amazing in both iOS and Android. Next, we'll be building a horizontal scroll view which gives you an idea how the apps in Amazon Prime are actually working and being designed. Further, we'll have a drawer view which is very common in most apps and we'll learn how the horizontal scroll view and vertical cards just like Instagram can be designed. Further, how can we miss the Tinder animation cards? And finally, we're going to have a chat list view. All of these apps that we are designing are just the front end. They are not having connected with their back end, but they are fully functional, working, and looks absolutely fabulous on iOS and Android and all kind of devices. This course doesn't require you to have heavy prerequisite. All you need is a basic JavaScript knowledge. If you're comfortable in writing loops and arrow function in JavaScript, that's it, that's all you need. You even don't need heavy-end computers since you'll be writing all of your code in JavaScript and will be testing out everything on your actual mobile device. This means no need of extraordinary hardware. Check out the description section, have a look at some of the free preview videos, and I'll surely catch you up inside the course.